Hi, today I'm going to show you a really easy hands-on science experiment. It's called Melt the Ice. It's super simple, and all you need is a toy frozen in ice and a bowl to hold it, and some salt with a spoon for scooping. So for this experiment, once the toy has been frozen overnight in a brick of ice, you can bring the salt over and ask the child to guess how many scoops of salt will it take to rescue the toy from the ice cube. So once you and the child have made a guess of how many scoops of salt it'll take to melt the ice, all you do is go ahead and experiment and keep count of how many scoops it'll be. So far I'm at 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, it's already melting a lot at the top and the sides. You can start to scrape out the toy and pour some more on. And while you wait for the salt to melt the ice, you can ask some questions to help expand the child's learning. So you could ask, what else can we use to melt the ice? What would be faster than using salt? Is it easier if the ice brick is smaller or larger? Any question you can think of. This is where we're at by just letting it melt now in the salt. As you can see, it's almost out. We're going to give it a few more minutes. And here we go. The toy is free. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.